Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change DNS server address in Brave browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon that says Customize and Control Brave. In the drop-down menu, select Settings at the bottom. Once settings window opens, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right under privacy and security section, scroll down and click on this one security option. Again scroll down and under advanced section, in case encrypt the names of sites you visit, toggle switch is disabled, just enable it by clicking on this. Then you can choose a DNS provider from this one drop down menu. Select DNS provider. By default, it pick DNS from your OS. Here you can select Cloudflare, OpenDNS, Clean Browsing, Next DNS or Google DNS. In case you want to set a custom DNS, click on this one, Add Custom DNS Service Provider. Here you need to type or paste the DNS server address you want to use. After that, you can close the Brave browser and reopen Brave browser to use your secured DNS on your PC.